1 cups of hot water, 1 cups of water. Yeah, so 1 cups of water can make a nice lovely cup of tea, and that's what we are doing this evening. Okay, good vibes. So you don't know the thing already, just support where you can. All right, so we're going to be using purple onion to make this beautiful cup of tea this evening. So if you're familiar with the purple onion, yeah, this is for you. All right, I'm going to show you how to do it. So right here, this is some purple onion, put it into the water. Excellent. And I get some ginger. It's getting hot, guys, don't worry. Normally I use hot water. I'm gonna put some ginger. Yeah, ginger is amazing. Excellent. So that is just a little bit of fresh ginger. All right. Fresh ginger with some purple onion. Here's his in. Big up yourself. Thank you so much for passing through, because you know you go already. Yeah, man. This is another powerful recipe, guys, honestly. All right. Purple onion and ginger. Very easy recipe. Yeah. Lots of purple onion. I'm gonna tell you something. This is very good for the gut. All right, this right here. This is amazing. Yeah. Look at that. So that is one of those kind of recipe where definitely, you know, very good. Look at that. Purple onion and some fresh ginger. All right, I use a lot because this will help to, you know, clean out the immune system as much as I can. Yeah. See that, guys? Look at that. So the water look, yeah, and that's what we need. Yeah, that's exactly what we need to make it fantastic. So once it comes to the boil, yeah, we're gonna pour it out. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, that smells amazing. Joy, thank you so much for coming on the show. You're more than welcome. Big up yourself every time. I didn't even see that. Alright. Look at that. This is very good for cold and flu, and especially this time of the year. This is what you want to drink right here. Alright? Yeah. The purple onion. Let's turn off the cooker. Alright. Yeah. So we turn it off. And so it is going to be time for us to share it out. That is ready. You don't want to boil it. It's not, you know. It's just a simple little recipe. Such a beautiful recipe, and I'm gonna tell you something. Special this time of the year, you need this kind of recipe. All right. The good thing is, my book is available on Amazon. So go over to Amazon and get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. All right, guys. Thank you so much for your support and for your time watching these videos. This video is for members only. Yeah, so if you don't join my YouTube channel, please join the membership and get the latest update. All right, now let's share it up. All right, yeah, so look at that. Now guys, I'm gonna say you also it a little bit more even more powerful when you put some honey. Alright, when you put some honey with it. Right, we're gonna put some honey. Excellent. Look at that. All right. Yeah. All right. So that's the honey right there. Beautiful. Give it a mix. Excellent. All right, guys, I'm gonna tell you something. We don't have a lot of people watching, any members, but as I say, Craig, big up yourself. Thank you so much for your support and for your time coming on the show. We appreciate it 100%. Big up all of the members who support Chef Ricardo Cooking. We got Craig, we got Joy on Ears Him. Lots more people, but you know, they might at work and don't have time to come on the show. But you know, sometimes I have to do this and I have to support my members. Yes, a very healthy cup of tea. I have to spend time with the members only. All right, so yeah, so you know what I mean, as I say, members support me, so I have to spend the time and give them recipes just to spend the time with my members only. We don't have a lot of people in the talk, just members. So I'm gonna put the ingredients below and just tag it as members only, that you guys can see the recipe which I just used. Is just onion and ginger and honey and hot water. But at the end of the day, I have to do it because it's for members only. Yeah, so we can see I change over my badge to stars. Let my audience, let my members know that you have a stars. So I share that with you guys also. Thank you so much for all of the members who support me, and I really appreciate it and hope we can do better and best. But I do not want to give up my tea, because this tea thing helped me so much in my life. You know what I mean? That's every time when I go to the doctor keep asking me what I've been doing at home. And I tell them I drink a lot of teas and try my best to eat healthy. That's all. So it helped me. So I know sometimes we repeat the recipes, but some people new on the channel every day and don't even see them. So we have to keep like repeating some recipes to let others who just came on can see what's good for high blood pressure and what good for diabetic, what good for all different kind of things. And yeah, but as I say to my audience all the time, the special members, yeah,